Hello everyone, today we are learning how to work with percentages. Something super useful in real life for things like discounts, tests, and tips. Let's start with what a percentage actually is. A percentage is a number out of 100. The symbol percent, this symbol right here, means per 100. So 50% equals 50 out of 100, or 0.50, or 1/2. So now let's work with examples. So the first example, what is 25% of 80? Step number 1 is to change the percentage to a decimal. In this case, we will change 25% to 0.25. Step number 2 is to multiply this decimal by 80. So 0.25 times 80 equals 20. So this will be our answer. 25% of 80 is 20. So again, first we had the equation, we turn this number into a decimal and we multiply it by the total number we want to get the percentage of. Let's work with 2 more examples so that you understand this better. Example number 2. Let's work with a fraction here. What is 40% of 1/2? So now again, we change the percentage to a decimal, 40%, we change it to 0.40. And now we multiply it by 1/2. 0.40 times 1/2 will equal, here we do 0.40 times 1 will be 0.40. We put a 1 here in the bottom. Sorry, yeah, put a 1 here in the bottom. So this will give us 0.40 over 2. So here we have 0.40 over 2. And what is this if you divide it? We have to divide this one right here, 0.40 over 2, divided by 2. This will give us 0.20. So 40% of 1/2 is 0.20. And now let's work with a real life example. So let's say in a quiz you scored 18 out of 20. So what grade did you get? What is your grade in percentage? So first we have, well, in this case, we would do 18 over 20 times 100. So 18 over 20 would be 0.9 if we simplified, times 100, which would give us 90%. So you did pretty good. You scored 90%. Well, a basic recap of all we did. So remember, first you have to convert the percentage to a decimal and then you multiply. You can use it with whole numbers, fractions, or real life scores. Thanks for watching and keep practicing your math skills. Tune in to the next video.